If you see the switch, you will see it's the back plate of the hot swappable switch. You will see that it's actually out a bit. Where is it? Okay, as you can see, I haven't been able to figure out how the keyboard keys work. I think it has to do with some current passing between them. If I try to lift it against the light, I do not see any particular connections. So I think the only other explanation is maybe, you know what, I'm not actually thinking that much. I'm actually thinking if I just solder this, where is it? If I just solder it here, it might fix it. Keyboard is still under warranty, but I do not want to go through the RMA process. It's a waste of time. 15-20 days just to solder this point. Let me try it. If it doesn't work, then we will give it back. Now, from what I see, it requires only a little bit of solder, not a lot. So is that enough? Let's see. It's a bit out, but let's try it out. Let's see if it works or not. This was the switch, as you can see. It's a bit out. That was the switch. This part is a bit up. And if I try a switch now, moment of truth. Drum roll please. Wait for it. And it's working. Okay. So I spent 5 minutes, a few rupees, and didn't have to go through the hassle of RMing. Thanks.